All right, as you can see, this thing is beat up really, really bad. I've had it for at least 3 years now, and it's done everything from mixing concrete, which really puts a big load on them, to being dropped and kicked. And the case is, you know, got this sort of protective rubberized finish on it, and it's just, you know, you can see concrete on it. It's just taking the abuse, and really worked well until recently. And the chuck has started to have an issue where sometimes it won't tighten up, and then other times it will, it sort of, you know, wants to strip out, and, you know, sometimes it'll just over tighten, and you want to actually be able to get the drill bit out. I have to put it in the vise and get some channel locks to undo the chuck. So I've got a replacement that I got from Bosch, Bosch parts. I think it was $32, something like that. You know, if you've got a Milwaukee, DeWalt, Makita, they're all probably somewhat similar, you know, in the way they come apart and all. So it looks like this case half just, you know, or case just splits in half. So I've got a T10 Torx here. We're gonna go ahead and get these screws out. Thing about a Torx bit, you got to be careful with them, and you know, make sure there's nothing down in the grooves of it that will keep you from, you know, driving on it, and make sure you're really engaged and locked into it while you twist it out, because, you know, the little splines on it are really thin, and this is a Harbor Freight torque driver, and I'm sure, you know, the hardening on the tip is probably not the best, and, you know, it would wear out pretty quickly. So all right, let's see if we can go ahead and split this case here. If we got all the screws out, maybe just give it a little pry. Oh yeah. All right, and this just fits in, and I think, yep. So it's somewhere up in this, you can hear that grinding noise there. It shouldn't be making that. Should be smooth like that one. All right. So this is going to be pretty straightforward here. Okay. So we got that fitted in. Now let's see if we can get this back together. A little bearing on the back here. And while we get it apart, we're going to use some compressed air and just blow it out. All right, well, we're all set. We got it back together there. Let's test it out. See if the disengages and engages like it should. All right, just a quick, simple little video. If anybody out there is looking, you know, does a YouTube search to find out how to swap out the drill chuck, it's really nothing to it. Just a few screws, and that's it. All right, thanks everybody.